Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Browser. Today I'm going to show you the Insta360 Antigravity A1, the Panoramic drone. Nowadays we see a lot of drones every day, better cameras, long flight times, but it's all been evolutionary today. The Insta360 dropped something that's truly revolutionary. And this is the world's first 8K 360 degrees drones built for us. And now I'm going to have a quick hands-on and quick look about this new device from Insta360. So here is the stuff inside the box. So inside the box we will have drone, goggles, lunators, motion controller, carry case, charging hub, high capacity flight battery, goggles battery, battery lanyard, USB-C cable, power cable, slim bag, lens caps, propellers, screwdriver, and this anti-gravity A1 Infinity bundle. So let's check it one by one. The first is drone, and this was the first 8K 360 degrees drones for creators, but it isn't just about pixels, it's about a completely new way to think about filming. So let's get a dual 1.5-inch sensor inside the compact 360 campo modular, and it can capture full stage stuff-free in 8K at 30 FPS or super smooth 4K 60 FPS. We are capturing everything, every angle, all the time. The anti-gravity, it means the define normal filmmaker rules in post-production, and that is one flight becomes the treasure chest of shot you can discover and direct after you land. And also for the FPV goggles can provide immersive flight experience. And this isn't just watching a film. When you put this on, you're not looking at the screen anymore. You are literally sitting in the cockpit of the drones. Micro LED displays deliver an incredible clean picture with ultra low latency and butter smooth 100 Hz refresh rate. And what that means for you, the pilot, is that just mean what you are doing high speed tracking or navigating tight gaps, and what you see is exactly what your drone sees in real time. No blur, no lag. Transforms your sense of control and immersion. And now it's the motion controller. And about the motion controller, we can forget completely the joystick combinations. This is the most intuitive ways to command your A1. Just point it and where you want drones to go. Tilt it forward to fly forward, lift it up to ascend. It translates your natural hand movement directly to smooth, cinematic flight paths. And now you can find the powerhouse. They use a modular design. The 2-in-1 powerhouse is a master stroke with one button, and the brain of the system comes off. The true 2-in-1 system for travel is a dream. You can pack the drones and cameras separately. And for landing is safer, and for creativity it means your killer 8K 360 degree camera isn't grounded when you can't fly. This is a modular design for the powerhouse. Nice. And yes, this is the main stuff, and also this is the Gauger's battery. It's a battery for the Gauger. Okay, yes. Also for an anti-gravity. And if for real world use with a maximum 34-minute flight and 10 kilometers HD video transmission, if you have the freedom to explore. And also the new flow state horizon lock keeps your footage perfectly level even in the aggressive maneuvers. If you're a storyteller or solo creator or anyone who wants a multiply the value of everything flight, this is your ultimate weapon. And here we can find the cables, lot of cables and a lot of accessories included in the box. So this is a quick look and hands-on video about the anti-gravity A1, the first 8K 360 degree drones from Insta360. Hope you like it, and what if you think of it compared with DJI.